Hi friends, my name is Bharath Chandra. Today's video is 5 emerging sectors for future profits. India's GDP is currently around $3.89 trillion or 3.89 lakh crore dollars. The government is hoping to reach $5 trillion by 2027. India is currently in the 5th position in the world in terms of GDP. It is likely to reach the 3rd position in the next few years. For India to grow large, many businesses have to grow large. With a rapid growth, many sectors are likely to do well for the next 10, 20 or 30 years. In this video, we have covered 5 sectors with high potential in India in the coming years. Sector number 1, infrastructure development. India's infrastructure has to do well if India has to develop. There are broadly 2 subsectors: A, engineering and construction, B, engineering equipment and machinery. The government has focused on enhancing the connectivity among various places in the country. Projects such as Bharat Pariyojana, which involves the expansion of highways, modernization of railway networks through the dedicated freight corridor, and the development of smart cities will require growth of infrastructure sector. In the 2024-25 Union Budget, capital investment outlay for infrastructure has been increased by 11.1% to rupees 11.11 lakh crores. This is 3.4% of GDP. Some of the sectors are power, road, telecom, shipping, railways, etc. Sector number 2, financial technology. One of the fastest growing sectors is the financial technology sector or Fintech sector. India has approximately 9,000 Fintech entities as of now. The Indian Fintech industry is estimated to be around 9.2 lakh crores and it is expected to reach 35 lakh crores by 2029. In Fintech, there are different categories such as A, wealth management and investment, that is Angel One, Zerodha, Grow, such companies. B, insurance, Policy Bazaar, etc. Here we are talking about insurance Fintech and not insurance companies. C, leasing and financing, that is lending card and so many other websites where we can take loans. And D, payments, where Paytm, Razorpay, PhonePe, all these companies operate. Sector 3, artificial intelligence and automation. Artificial intelligence is getting integrated in various fields. In the coming years, the usefulness of AI will be more. Different companies are utilizing AI for benefit in their own sectors. Many companies are related to AI such as Tata Elxsi, TCS, Infosys, Affle India, Persistent Systems. Sector number 4, electric vehicles. India's electric vehicle sector is one of the high potential sectors for the future. The government is encouraging EVs more than conventional technology cars. India's electric vehicle sales reached 17.52 lakh units in 2023-24, which was a growth of 40.31% compared to the previous year. Electric vehicles means it is electric two-wheelers, electric cars and electric buses and also electric auto rickshaws. As per government data, EV registrations made up 6.4% of total vehicle sales in India. In EV, there are different categories such as A, EV manufacturers like Tata Motors, Mahindra, Ola, etc. B, battery manufacturers, Exide, Amara, etc. C, charging infrastructure, ABB, Tata Power, who make the charging stations. D, technology providers, KPIT Technology, TCS, L&T, etc. And E, power electronics and motor control. Tata Elxsi, Bosch, such companies are operating in this sector. Sector 5, renewable energy sector. India will gradually shift to more renewable sources of energy in the coming decades. India has committed to achieving about 50% cumulative electric power installed capacity from non-fossil fuel based energy resources by 2030. That means they will not depend on coal but more on the other renewable sources. In renewable energy sector, there are different categories such as solar power, hydropower, wind power and biopower, etc. Watch out for these sectors and research about the stocks which have high potential in the future. Apart from these, the traditional but evergreen sectors also have potential such as FMCG, IT, automobile, banking, pharma, etc. If you like this video, please click the like button and also mention which sector out of these 5 is most promising according to you. Type in the comment section about the particular sector. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you and bye bye.